Section 1. Finding your way navigation made easy. Knowing where you're going is important. It gives you confidence and peace of mind. Whether it's a quick trip to the grocery store or an exciting cross-country adventure, good navigation makes life so much easier and enjoyable. It helps you get to your destination faster and more efficiently. It takes away the stress and anxiety of getting lost or taking wrong turns. In the past, we relied on paper maps. Remember those days? They were big, cumbersome, and hard to fold back correctly. Now we have the convenience of smartphones. These smartphones come equipped with navigation apps that show us the way. These apps use GPS technology. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It's a network of satellites that help pinpoint your exact location on Earth. It uses these satellites to determine where you are on the planet. Pretty cool, right? With the help of GPS and navigation apps, getting lost is now a thing of the past. Let's dive in and learn how to use one of the best navigation apps available today, Google Maps, especially when paired with Apple CarPlay. Section 2. Apple CarPlay your phone on your drive. Apple CarPlay brings your iPhone to your car's display. It's like having a giant iPhone in your dashboard. You can use your favorite apps safely while driving. With CarPlay you can make calls with Siri hands-free. Listen to your favorite music. Send and receive messages without touching your phone. And of course, navigate with ease using Google Maps. CarPlay is designed for driving. The icons are big and easy to tap. Siri understands your voice commands. It's all about keeping you focused on the road. Section 3. Connecting Google Maps to Apple CarPlay, a step-by-step guide. Connecting Google Maps to CarPlay is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. First, check for CarPlay in your car. Look for the CarPlay logo, or check your car's manual. Next, connect your iPhone to your car. Use a USB cable or, if your car supports it, wirelessly connect using Bluetooth. Then, open Google Maps on your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app. CarPlay should automatically launch. If not, tap the CarPlay icon on your car's display. Finally, start navigating. You'll see the familiar Google Maps interface on your car's screen. That's it. You're now ready to experience the power of Google Maps with the convenience of CarPlay. Section 4. Exploring the open road. Using Google Maps with CarPlay. Using Google Maps on CarPlay is a breeze. It seamlessly integrates with your car's infotainment system, providing a smooth and intuitive experience. The large display and simple interface make navigation effortless. You can see your route clearly and make adjustments on the fly. Here's how to use the basic features. Searching for a destination. Tap the search bar and enter an address, business name, or even a category like gas stations. You can also search for points of interest such as restaurants, hotels, and landmarks. Getting directions. Choose your preferred route from the options provided. Google Maps will show you the estimated travel time and distance for each route. You can also see real-time traffic conditions. This helps you avoid congested areas and find the quickest way to your destination. Listening to turn-by-turn navigation. Clear voice guidance tells you when and where to turn. This ensures you stay on track without having to constantly look at the screen. Google Maps on CarPlay also offers voice control. Just say, "Hey Siri, navigate to start navigating without lifting a finger. This hands-free feature is perfect for keeping your focus on the road. Real-time traffic updates. Avoid traffic jams and get to your destination faster. Google Maps constantly updates to provide the most accurate traffic information. Automatic rerouting. If you miss a turn or encounter a road closure, Google Maps will find a new route for you. This ensures you always have the best possible path to your destination, minimizing delays and stress. Section 5. Google Maps versus the competition. Why it's the right choice. There are many navigation apps out there, but Google Maps stands out. Here's why. Accurate maps and real-time traffic. Google Maps has the most up-to-date maps and traffic information. It constantly updates to reflect the latest road conditions, ensuring you always have the best route. Easy to use. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to understand. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it intuitive and straightforward to navigate. Voice guidance. Clear voice directions make it easy to follow the route. You can keep your eyes on the road while the app guides you turn by turn. But wait, there's more. Google Maps also offers Street View. See a 360-degree view of your destination before you arrive. This feature helps you recognize landmarks and get a feel for the area. Offline Maps. Download maps for offline use when you don't have internet access. Perfect for traveling in remote areas or when you want to save on data usage. Integration with other Google services. Easily find places you've searched for in Google Search or save your favorite locations to your Google account. This seamless integration makes planning trips and daily commutes a breeze. Section 6. Drive smarter, not harder. Google Maps and CarPlay, a winning combination. Google Maps and Apple CarPlay are the perfect driving companions. They make navigating a breeze so you can focus on what matters most, enjoying the ride. No more fumbling with your phone, no more getting lost. Just safe, convenient, and stress-free driving. So, what are you waiting for? Connect Google Maps to your Apple CarPlay today and experience the future of navigation.